Hello guys, today I am here with a new question: how to find the average value of a function in a given limit. It is one of the main application of a definite integral is to find the average value of a function y is equal to f of x over a specific interval a to b. In order to find this average value, one must integrate the function by using the fundamental theorem of calculus and divide the answer by the length of interval. Mean integral of a to b of function divided by the length of interval means b minus a. If the length of interval a to b, then the length of interval is b minus a. If a interval is c to d, then the length of interval is d minus c. It is very simple. So the formula of average value of a function in a specific region a to b is given by the integral of function in a given limit divided by the length of interval. Now I am going to our first question. Our first question is the average value of a function y is equal to f of x over a interval x belongs to 1 to 5 is 2. What is the value of integral 1 to 5 f of x dx? Here we have the value average value of function. We know the formula of how to find the average value of function. This is our required formula and the value of this is 2 and the b is 5, a is 1. So the integral of 1 to 5 f of x dx is 2 into length of the interval means b minus a. So now we know b is 2 and a is 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. So the value of 1 to 5 f of x dx is 8. Now we are going to our second question. Find the average value of cubic function x cube on the interval 0 to 1. We know the formula of average value of a function in a given limit. So here b is 1 and a is 0. So the length of interval is 1 minus 0 is 1 and the integral of 0 to 1 x cube dx. We know the integral of x cube is x to the power 4 by 4 and we will put the limit, so we will get 1 by 4. Now we are going to our third question. The third question is find the average value of square root function f of x is equal to root x on the interval 0 to 25. According to formula, the length of interval is b minus a. So here b is 25 and a is 0. So length of interval is 25 minus 0 is 25. So the integral of 0 to 25 under root x dx. We know under root x is x to the power 1 by 2. So the integral of x to the power 1 by 2 is x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3. So in 3 by 2 is in denominator. So 2 will come in numerator. So after putting the limit 0 to 25, we will get 250 by 75 which is equal to 10 by 3. Now we are going to our fourth question. This is our last example. Our fourth question is find the average value of cosine function f of x is equal to cos x on the interval of 0 to pi by 2. So according to formula, here b is pi by 2 and a is 0. So the length of interval is b minus a which is pi by 2 minus 0 which is pi by 2 and the integral over 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx is, we know the integral of cos x is sin x, because the differentiation of sin x is cos x, so the integral of cos x is sin x. Hence when we put the limit 0 to pi by 2, we know sin 90 is 1 and sin 0 is 0, so pi by 2, 1 minus 0 is 1, and 2 by pi is come from b minus a. This is our answer. This is very basic question on the from the calculus. In this type of question we have only learned the formula. What is the formula of average value of a function in a given specific limit? This is our formula. Integral of a to b f of x dx divided by the length of interval.